Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greeting of virtue. Dear Mrs. Dr. Ekarini Saraswati, Master of Education, as the lecturer of the Education Seminar course, as well as my respect and proud friend from Teacher Professional Education, Indonesian Language Teacher Candidate. Praise be to God Almighty, because I can be here, even though online, to present material in this education seminar. I feel very fortunate to be able to share my reflection on the leadership project course, which is part of the learning in the course that I undertook with my friend from Teacher Professional Education Indonesian Language Teacher Candidate Batch 2024 WAF 2. Through this material, I will share about how important it is to carry out the leadership project course. I hope this material can open discussion and provide new insight for all of you. Without lingering any longer, hopefully what I say can provide benefit and enrich our common understanding. Check it out. Okay, number one question. What learning experience were useful and interesting? The most useful and interesting learning experience in implementing this leadership project is the ability to manage a community empowerment program that integrates educational values, cultural arts, and environmental awareness. Through this project, I learned firsthand how to design a program from the observation stage, problem identification, activity planning, to implementation and evaluation with community partner. The most interesting thing was when accompanying the women of PKK in a batik training session using natural dyes from plants such as indigo vera. In addition to coloring technique such as dyeing, cholet, and color gradation that provide aesthetic and unique result, I also witnessed the enthusiasm and learning spirit of the participant, which was extraordinary. Okay, number one question. What learning experience are useful but less engaging? One of the learning experience that I found very useful but less interesting was the administrative process in planning and implementing activities, such as preparing activity report, filling out a profile document, and reporting regularly to relevant parties. Although this aspect is very important as a form of accountability and formal documentation in leadership project, I found the process with them time consuming. Okay, number three question. What learning experience are interesting but less useful? During the leadership project, I feel that all the learning experience I had were interesting and useful at the same time. It starts from project planning, implementation, to evaluation profit learning that was not only fun but also enriched my insight and skill as a future teacher. There is no experience that I consider less useful, because all of them support each other in shaping effective educational leadership and having a real impact on society. Okay, next question. What learning experience are not interesting and useful in the context of being a prospective teacher? Through the lecture and the implementation of the leadership project, I did not find any learning experience that was not interesting or useful, although there were some sessions that might have felt materially or technically distant. All of them remained relevant in shaping my character and competence as a prospective teacher. Even the material that initially seemed less interesting in the end still provide benefit when applied in a real context in the field. Okay, next question. What happened? Implementation of the PPK leadership project. I have designed and implemented the ecological literature batik making project with Mothers PKK and the Batik Workshop community in Saujajar Village, Malang City. This project took place from March to May, involving various tasks such as field observation, activity planning, implementation of batik training workshop, introduction to ecological literature, and hands-on practice of using natural dyes from indigo vera plant. Through the process, I collaborated with local resident communities and community leaders. Okay, next question. Why does this happen? This can happen because there is a real need in the community, especially in Saujajar Village, Malang City, related to economic empowerment and concern from the environment. The observation show that the use of synthetic dyes in the batik process is still quite dominant and not environmentally friendly. In addition, the protective activities of PKK mothers have not been fully focused on activities that support cultural presentation and environmental sustainability. Okay, next question. If I teach or discuss this topic considering the principle of student-centered meaningful learning, what change will I make? I will design learning that is contextual and interactive by activity involving student in every step of the activity. For example, in the topic of ecological literary batik, I will number 1 invite students to make a similar project, such as making batik for on the theme of environmental, poetry, or local folklore. This will help relate the subject matter into environmental and cultural issues around them. Number 2, students are given the freedom to choose batik and literature media, technique, or themes that suit their interests, so that they feel in control of their learning. Okay, thank you for your attention. That's all the explanation from me regarding the reflection. Hopefully, it will provide insight to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.